Finding the best blender under $100 can feel tricky when so many options promise power and durability. After testing a few, I learned that you don't need to spend a fortune to get smooth shakes, sauces, or even crushed ice. In fact, many budget blenders work surprisingly well for daily use in a US kitchen, whether it's for morning smoothies or quick meal prep. Stick around and I'll share my top picks along with honest insights to help you choose the right one. You can check out the updated links with the best deals in the description below. Let's jump right in. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo. When looking for the best blender under $100, I tried the Hamilton Beach Blender and Food Processor Combo, and it honestly surprised me with how versatile it is. You're not just getting a blender, you also get a food processor attachment and even a travel cup. For me, this made it a practical choice because I often bounce between making morning smoothies, chopping veggies for dinner, and blending sauces. Having all three functions in one saves both money and counter space. The 700-watt motor is strong enough for most daily tasks. It handles frozen fruit, ice, and leafy greens well, and the wave action system really does pull everything down into the blades. My smoothies came out smooth without chunks, which is something cheaper blenders often miss. That said, there are a few things to note. The motor isn't as powerful as higher-end blenders, so you may need to blend a bit longer for tougher recipes. Overall, this is a solid pick if you want one appliance that can blend, chop, and travel with you. For under $100, the Hamilton Beach Combo gives you real value and everyday convenience. Number 4. Cuisinart SmartPower Blender. When I tested the Cuisinart SPB7CH SmartPower Blender, I wanted to see if it really lived up to being one of the best blenders under $100. At first glance, the polished chrome design makes it look more premium than many budget blenders, and I have to admit, it feels sturdy on the counter. The 40-ounce glass jar is a nice size for small families or anyone who blends a lot of smoothies, soups, or sauces in one go. What stood out to me was the 7-speed touchpad control. It's simple to use and lights up clearly so you don't need to guess which setting you're on. I found this helpful when switching between smoothies in the morning and pureeing hot soups in the evening. That said, the 500-watt motor is not the most powerful compared to other options in this price range. Noise level is average, not too loud but not whisper quiet either. Overall, the Cuisinart CH7 SmartPower Blender is a solid everyday blender if you value design, easy controls, and a reliable glass jar. It's not built for heavy-duty blending, but for daily smoothies, shakes, and simple recipes, it delivers consistent results at a fair price under $100. Number 3. Oster Classic Series 16-speed blender with food chopper. When I tried the Oster Classic Series 16-speed blender, I wanted to see if it could really earn a spot among the best blenders under $100. What caught my eye right away was the 16-speed control. It might sound like overkill, but I actually liked having that much flexibility. From pulsing salsa to pureeing soups, it gave me a setting that felt just right for each task. The 6-cup Boro-class glass jar is another highlight. It's dishwasher safe, heat-resistant, and sturdy enough to handle both frozen smoothies and hot liquids. I also found the included 3-cup food chopper attachment handy for quick prep jobs, like chopping onions or making a small batch of salsa. For a US kitchen where space is valuable, having a 2-in-1 blender and chopper really helps cut down on clutter. Now, the motor is 400 watts, which is a bit lower compared to some other budget blenders. The noise level is about average, nothing too distracting, but not quiet either. Overall, if you're looking for a versatile and durable blender with multiple speed options, the Oster Classic Series is a solid choice under $100. It's reliable, practical, and built to last. Number 2. NutriBullet Special Edition Pro 900. The NutriBullet Pro 900 is one of those compact blenders that proves you don't need a huge machine to get great results. If you're looking for the best blender under $100 for quick smoothies or protein shakes, this one checks a lot of boxes. I've been using it for early morning blends, and what I love most is the 900-watt motor. It's surprisingly powerful for its size easily handling frozen berries, leafy greens, and even nuts without leaving chunks behind. The design is simple and straightforward, no complicated buttons or controls. You just twist, lock, and blend. This makes it perfect for busy mornings when you don't want to fuss with settings. The set includes multiple cups and flip-top lids, which are super handy if you're always on the go. Of course, there are a few trade-offs. The NutriBullet isn't designed for big batches, it's more of a single-serve blender. It can also get a bit noisy, though that's expected with most high-speed blenders. Overall, the NutriBullet Pro 900 is a powerful, compact, and user-friendly choice under $100. If your main goal is quick, nutrient-packed smoothies or shakes without taking up too much space, this blender is a great fit. Number 1. Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watts, BL610. The Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watt is easily one of the strongest contenders when it comes to the best blender under $100. I've used it for everything from smoothies to frozen cocktails, and what stands out most is the total crushing technology. With its stacked blade system and 1000 watts of power, it crushes ice and frozen fruit in seconds. My smoothies come out creamy without chunks, and even thick recipes like frozen peanut butter shakes blend smoothly. The 72-ounce pitcher is a big win if you often make drinks for the family or prep in larger batches. I've used it for weekend gatherings, and it's nice not having to blend multiple times. The pitcher is BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, which makes cleanup fast. For busy US households, that convenience matters a lot. It's not without trade-offs, though. The blender is tall and takes up space, so storing it under low cabinets can be tricky. It's also loud. Power comes with noise. Another small drawback is that the lid locks tightly, which is great for safety, but sometimes feels a little stiff when removing it. Still, the performance outweighs these minor issues. Whether you want icy drinks, smoothies, or to crush tough ingredients, this Ninja handles it without hesitation. If you're after a powerful, family-sized blender that's built for everyday use, the Ninja Professional BL610 is hard to beat in this price range. Final verdict. After comparing all the options, the Ninja Professional Blender 1000 Watt BL610 stands out as the best overall pick. Its powerful motor, large pitcher, and reliable performance make it perfect for families or anyone who wants smooth, consistent results every time. For those who prefer a compact design with single-serve convenience, the NutriBullet Special Edition Pro 900 is an excellent choice. It's ideal if you're focused on quick, nutrient-packed smoothies without taking up much counter space. Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more gear reviews, and check the description for the best deals on all these machines.